a report here on how an autonomous fleet of drones enables multi-view inspection of road assets. Let's see that we are releasing workers from accessing stringent areas within the OMICRON solution, which has been conducted on bridge inspections. But what we have designed is a system for conducting multi-view inspection on allowing the inspection of difficult to access zones or inspect risky areas, and all this thanks to the use of several UAVs guiding to shorter service interruptions. We have developed a visual software tool to operate such a fleet from a ground control point. This is a visual interface allowing the asset inspector for gaining the visual feedback from the flying UAVs. We will see later on. And the short message of this presentation is that we can team drones up for more reliable and shorter inspections. We have performed improvements that we quantify in a reduction of the in-place workers and in a lower idle time of the asset while we are inspecting them. Okay, so we have a challenging asset, in this case a singular asset that it's to be inspected. We have equipped drones which are properly equipped with cameras according to the different targets that we are inspecting. In this case, we are inspecting the deck, junctions, and pillars of this Settefonti Bridge in Florence, in Italy, and we deployed the whole system from a ground control station, where a visual software is used, firstly, to plan the way you are going to deploy. We are splitting the different tasks, in this case between among 3 UAVs, and these 3 UAVs are deployed according to the proper the former planning. And while they are flying, we are providing the asset owner with the visual feedback, not only in the screen itself, but also in the gaining the images that you are really retrieving for the UAVs. And you could pick the different UAVs. So in this case, we are seeing what is being perceived by the UAV, which is devoted to inspect the deck. And for sure, you have the digital record on the autonomous drone, which is an imagery to be studied later on, so as to treat this as a kind of pre-testing activity, where you identify minor changes, minor damages or major damages that you are tracking. And as far as you have this digital track to be safe in your systems, you are allowed to see how these damages are evolving. And in the video that you are currently seeing, the target is different. We are not using the UAV for the deck, but for inspecting the pillars. And you see there that we get near, or we use the camera in the payload to get the details on the image.
Sorry, José Luis, you have 2 minutes, okay?
Okay, yeah. And finally, I can say that you have here the kind of images that you identify. The images because you have the steel without concrete and corrosion, or because you have a certain damage on a pillar. And just to conclude, we have validated our solution for gathering imagery and digital records from a fleet of collaborating drones. That by collaboration, a variety of drones can make or can lead to shorter inspections, not only on bridge, but also addressing long corridors surveys, for instance, that the outset owner involvement in how operations occurs. It's definitely a crucial issue. So our point is that our solution team allowed you to team drones up. So this is at your hands. In having stakeholders on board is essential. Our goal with this workshop is saying that we are aiming at building the solution that you need as stakeholders. So thank you.